Hey guys, it's Kate, and we are here because when we went to the character warehouse this morning, Abel spotted a bunch of these Disney Parks Wishable bags. These are still fairly new to the parks. I know they've done several different collections, and if you guys follow me on Instagram, I did open the Little Mermaid collection and got Ariel, but these ones are super cute too, and they were $1.99 a bag. So we got 6 bags plus the completer, which is Nemo. Oh my god, look at him. He was $1.99 also. And in all honesty, aside from display, I'm not really gonna do much with these. I thought I could keep them in a little basket for our future little one to play with because they are small little plush items, but I thought an unbagging would be super fun. So I'm gonna have you start.
Okay. So how many are in 5?
So there's 4 in the collection. You can get Dory, Bruce, the Nemo Submarine, and Darla.
Oh,
and with 6 bags, we're hoping we get the whole collection. We'll see.
Ready?
Yeah. Ah, the submarine!
These are right at Disneyland, right?
Yeah, so we don't have that here at the parks.
Squeezy,
They're super soft, very squishy.
For Eli.
No, not for Eli. So here's what the submarine looks like. Abel's right, this is an attraction at Disneyland. And honestly, I am not one that I don't think gets claustrophobic, but I hate this ride. I got super claustrophobic, but it's, again, just for a display or for our future little one, I think these are really sweet. So I think this is really cute. All right, well, we're one out of 4.
So we need...
So we still need
3.
Dory, Bruce, and Darla. Can I open the next one? Or you want me to do it? Okay, you open it for me. Thank you.
I opened it for you. And...
Darla!
Oh my gosh, she's cute. Little
Look at her little fishing net. And it says friend of the reef, which I think is interesting that they did end up posing her in this way because she's famous in the movie for shaking the bags of fish and killing them. So I think it's kind of funny that they ended up having her in a scuba outfit with a little net, and her scuba outfit says friend of the reef. That's really cute.
Oh my gosh, she's cute.
So we just need Dory and Bruce.
Alright, here you go. So my turn. Uh-oh, oh no.
Oh no, another submarine.
I don't like this game.
That's why I got 6 bags. I knew if I got 4, I wouldn't get the whole collection, I'm sure. So now we have our first double. We've got 2 submarines.
One for Eli.
Not one for
It's gonna go.
you. No. All right, we need Dory and Bruce.
No.
Stop it, stop. No, I don't want 3 submarines.
No wonder they were $1.99.
Shoot.
Dude, that straight up sucks right now.
Oh no.
Straight up.
Maybe Eli can have one of those.
Yeah, I'm gonna give one to Eli, honestly.
All right. This better be Dory and Bruce. We only have 2 bags left.
I'm gonna be so upset. I don't know. Come on.
Aren't you glad we didn't spend $10 on these? That's what they normally are, right? You said they're 8. Stop it. No! I don't want 4. No! I literally have 4 submarines. No, that's terrible.
2 for Eli.
Oh man.
Oh, honey.
Okay. What is this?
I want Bruce. Actually, I want Bruce. Look how cute he is.
Okay, last one.
Ooh, just too fast. Just get over with.
Okay, so with 6 bags, we unsuccessfully were not able to complete the collection.
No
we
luck.
still are missing Dory and Bruce. So then I would pose this to you guys. If you have unbagged these and have duplicates and would like to trade, we have an extra Darla, and we have 3 extra submarines.
2. Because one for Eli.
No, you're really gonna get one of these, Eli?
Yeah, maybe let's see what he does. See?
He's already out the door. So definitely, in all seriousness, if you guys need one of these and have an extra Bruce or Dory and would like to trade, just send me a message on Instagram. It's Fairy Tales and Fitness over there, same as it is here, and maybe we can get something arranged, because as much as I love the submarine, I don't need 4 of them. But I will say I am very glad I only spent the $1.99 on these bags versus
I'll be very upset.
you said how much are they retailed in the park? 8 or 10 or something?
8,
when we bought the Ariel one.
$10, yeah. I don't know. Maybe
so
15.
I would be really sad if I spent $80 and got 4 of the same plush. But I still think that these unbaggings are super fun.
I want to get the other ones.
Yeah, we need Bruce and Dory.
It doesn't say.
But I will say for the quality of these is really nice. They seem well constructed as far as the seams are concerned. It doesn't seem like anything is coming unstitched. They're incredibly soft, very squishy, so I can understand why for kids especially these are really fun toys, and they're just really sweet. They're kind of that kawaii style where they have little stars on their eyes. They're just very cute, very sweet. I really like them a lot. I just wish I didn't have so many of the same one. But anyway, we got the completer Nemo too. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
Bye.